Alright, so we can get to the thermostat. It's under here. So you can see it. It's like right in between here. But we gotta take this off real quick. Alright, we got the thing off already. So this is the thermostat right here. I take this hose off, take this off. Just a couple of bolts. But I don't have a bucket right now. But we gotta find, in case all the coolant leaks out, we don't get on the floor. Alright, we got the thing off right here. So I guess we're gonna take that out and put the new one in. All the mess I made. So here's the bag of all the pieces they gave me. So I'm starting with this. Sticking it in here. Alright, after we get this in, put the spring. And then this thing, probably like the hardest part. Alright, we got the thing in. Now we just gotta put it back in the car. Oh. Well, before I forget, we gotta put a new seal. Alright, I believe the seal goes in here, right here. So that's where I'm gonna stick it. And now I'm just gonna stick it back over here. Alright, so I got everything all put back together, and for the check engine light that came on, I didn't really know how to remove it, so I just unplugged the battery for about a minute and it went off. And then it came back on since, and I drove for a couple hours, so I don't think it's gonna come back on. I think everything is good. So that's probably, I guess, my best advice to do. If you get yours fixed and everything like that, you need to take the check engine light, just unplug the battery. Don't even worry about all the little fancy little tools everyone else uses. Worked for me, should work for you. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.